Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the audio and your IPA chart. Do this now. Listen once for overall rhythm, then set playback to 1/2 or 3/4 speed and focus on the first 10-15 seconds. Pause after each word and write consonants first. Those anchor the shape of the word. Once done, mark vowel quality and primary stress using IPA symbols. Make sure to timestamp rough positions so you can return quickly. This saves time when you refine symbols later. You now zoom in on phonetic detail. Compare what you hear to IPA vowel sets and place length or diphthong markers. Listen for aspiration and allophonic patterns. Mark T as RDAP in quick American speech or add K aspirated for aspirated stops. Once you identify patterns, use minimal pairs and surrounding phonetic context to decide between similar symbols. Keep adjusting playback and re-listen to the same segment several times. Make sure to annotate uncertain. You finish by transcribing remaining words, then normalize notation across the file and proofread from start to finish. Compare your IPA to the orthographic form to catch missing vowel reductions or misplaced stress. Make final consistency edits. Once done, create a legend of any non-standard choices for future readers. If you hit ambiguous or noisy audio, slow playback to 1/4 speed, loop short segments, and check native speaker examples for confirmation. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn uncertainties.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.